Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Phililis Reality Reviews. So now guys, I want to talk about Ubaba Musamselegu, the show Uthandanis Temple, of course, of Ubaba Musamselegu and his wives. So I want to discuss the issue of the matter rather of Umakwela quitting her job just for Musamselegu to make him his baby making machine, because it does say that umakhwela umsebenzi wakhe munye ukuthi azongenzela abantu. And the fact that kuthiwa umsebenzi, like honestly speaking, you guys, she didn't come there to be a wife and all that, like ushadwe ugane kahle, then you can have your kids and don't. Umakhwela umsebenzi wakhe munye ukuthi azongenzela abantu. Wona umsebenzi wakhe munye nje kuphela. So she's a baby machine making, or baby making machine. That's what I mean, honestly. Usuke kuchaza ukuthini umuntu when someone says munye umsebenzi wakho ukuthi ungenzele ingane. That's a job. And they even talk about salary increases there. Athi Makhwela ucela salary increase. So she's jobbing there. Kamseleko, she quit her normal job, her 9 to 5. To be Musamseleko's baby making machine, usucela ne increase. Ebese, and then Mseleko says, for the increase, for you to get the increase, then you also need to increase inani lengane. So which means she has to make more kids, then she's gonna get that increase. What are they talking about? Like, honestly speaking, guys, don't understand. Guys, honestly speaking, so really Umakwela quit her job. There's a part where she speak about her leaving her job. I heard girl was working by the time she was introduced there, so now she no longer works. Musamseleko made her quit her job, only to honestly speak loudly and proudly say umsebenzi wakhe munye nje ukuthi azongenzela abantu. You guys, like, honestly speaking, Musamseleko, what the hell is this one? You know what I mean? And the girl asking for increase. Are you working there, girl, or you are married? Like, I thought you are married. Like, honestly, it's something else, hey? So, but it's not really it wasn't a good thought for Makwela to leave her job. I know, guys, ukuthi vele indoda masithi kumsebenzi, like ungumfazi, I do not know, man. Do you allow them to make them, like, for them to make you quit your job? Do you allow them that? Is it even allowed? Just to uzuzodlala ngapha. I feel like, honestly, he's just playing with the Makwela. This thing of wife number 5. Umakhwela kumele kube wayicabangisisa kahle, you guys. I know she's been addressing abantu when they say ngakubo poverty, ntontweni ikhona lathi kuna into ehlanganisa yena ne poverty, because people think because of their age gap ugirl wanted to become Seleko because mhlambe she's looking at other wives, they love their living, ihamba ngeimoto into ekanje. But some of the wives, you guys, it's because they work. I know mama celo kathiwa akazasebenze, umayeni works. Uma ngabe works, she's a nurse. Uma Khumalo, you know, if you know, you know. So for her to then come there and just quit her job when she's looking at other wives jobbing, honestly speaking, they are jobbing. And then when you come, you quit your job, the man will take care of you. When they're talking about how Makumalo here, when Makumalo was saying, Indota must, and to Zendote. Because we heard to get financially, she's the one who's been helping Umseleko to take care of the other wives. Right? So if that is the case, so umakhwela wakubona kufanele ukuthi ngempela I can just leave my job because there is a wife who is taking care of other wives here. Because then Makumalo goes to say indoda must, and then I'm not gonna manage. You know, if he's taking his wife, then indoda must look after your wives. They are not mine. And then Karen, she quits her job for another wife who's jobbing to then legelela Mseleko, from Mseleko to legelela. Guys, no. Makwela wasn't supposed to leave her job now. You know what I mean? So she was told, no, when you are here to make kids, so you can't work. Because he's asking, when are we making another one? She's like, what? You know what I mean? It's too early. I mean, guys, Liangane, like, the baby is still small. I don't think unamazinyo no namazinyo Liangane. Sasa ingane yabona bayiphethe lapana. I do not know they're having some dinner or lunch, whatever it is there. The baby is still very small, and the Musamseleko wants another one because who girl is a baby making machine? I mean, that not that they are saying, like, honestly, if you are saying umuntu umsebenzi wakhe munye nje to make the kids, you know what I mean? That means you are making them. I do not know. It's kind of like some business they are having ukuthi ngizokushada uzoba wife number 5 and then ungenzele ingane because inani lengane engizifunayo alikafiki, so I'll aid you, then you can have more kids. It sounds like that means kunika imali ayishiya loyo msebenzi, because I heard someone is speaking about ubaba uMsamseli mhlawumbe wenziwa isikhwele, he's very jealous, you know what I mean. Sometimes like a very young woman like uMakhwela, I mean, she can easily see a young guy there somewhere emsebenzini, office ayitholele umuntu wakhe eceleni, ayijolele ayekele likhehla leli, like Mayeni was saying. Mhlambe wadliwa yilokhu ukuthi umfazi sengasathole indoda, wathi uyawuyeka umsebenzi girl, ubhekana nami nomndeni wami, into kanjalo uzokondla, ethemba uMakay maybe. And then uMakay, she was like, I can never shame. No, the Makhwela, the one who really do not take someone from my village. And then you went to pick someone from my village after I've told you don't. And then now I must legelela. Indoda yakho will have to go. You know what I mean? That's now we see there's tension between Mseleko and Makhumalo kuthiwa akayi nokuya lapha. They are not seeing eye to eye. He's back happily at Kamangwabe. He's back at Kamayeni. You know what I mean? I saw him at Kamangwabe. Did you see the relationship? Like, I just loved the family thing. Like, you know, uMsamsele, when it comes to the kids that are not his, there is uSimphiwe laphiyana bahleli etafuleni with Mangwabe and Mawande. You know what I mean? So what was difficult for Ubaba uMsamsele honestly to allow uSimphiwe before, because uSimphiwe simanze manje sekuthiwa yeah, Mangwabe does have a child that does not belong to Mseleko, because Mseleko was said ukuthi ingane kungezona zakhe nje, ingane kungezona zaka Mseleko akayingeni. That's why we never knew about Simphiwe. And then season, I think that was season 8, the last season, Simphiwe was introduced. How Mangwabe unengane? How? You know what I mean? So what was difficult for him to accept uSimphiwe nje kanti uyolimala just to be his dad. I'll lose Luto just to be for Simphiwe to be there as your son, even if it's not a biological son, even if his biological father is honestly in his life. It wasn't gonna hurt for uMseleko to just accept uSimphiwe ke simbone nje kulawa masizini adlule sasingamboni khona. What was so difficult? Look at now. I was watching them sitting there discussing ekhuluma nje ukuthi abasebenza noMbhilo lapha ngase Omoda, you know what I mean, that car dealership, because Simphiwe works with uMbhilo there emsebenzini, you know what I mean. It was just like uyayibona nje umndeni ujabule kuhle kumnandi kuhlelo etafuleni. What was so difficult for him to accept uSimphiwe before? Idrama engaka Ubaba uMsamsele, how happy they Kamangwabe lapha. So he doesn't go Kamakay, he only goes to other wives. Like, honestly, but what he's doing to Umakay, shame, you guys. As for Makhwela quitting your job for this ndoda and Amakhosikazi, hey, did you hear him when he says Makhwela mustn't call him my man? Because phela ino indoda Amakhosikazi amaningi, then when you say my man, sekuzwakala ngathi manje uyamonisha ukuthi is your man. Actually, what about other wives? So she's not allowed to say my man. Uthi manje usezothini ubabakhe uthathiwe, uMthombeni uthathiwe, omnye nomunye umbiza the way athanda ngakhona. Usezothini yena, she better stick to my man. Yathi indoda awungi sisi, you cannot call me my man. Can you imagine that? Guys, no, into yakamseleko. What's wrong with my man though? Ngoba nomunye inkosikazi la sengathi my man, omunye nathi my man, angithi ngwabo bonke. So kuthiwa no, sekungathi phela uyangi-onisha, sekungathi ngingowakho when you say my man. Umamkhulu uthi babakhe Omakay uMthombeni, I think uMangwabe usually say uMthombeni, uMayeni. Yeah, mostly they call him uMthombeni. Umamkhulu yena uthi babakhe. So yeke ingane ithi my man at least. Kuningi you guys. So she quit her job to come and job to kikhiqiza ingane, and then salary angazi, she asked for money, then she was told I'll give you 100 rand. I don't think that was the money that she was gonna get though. He was like, I know 100 rand lana. I'm like, Baba uMsamsele, can you just give ingane imali 100 rand? Kuningi nje you guys, there is a lot to talk about. We are still going to carry on talking about Baba uMsamsele and his wives. A polygamist, Baba uMsamsele, guys. There's just a whole lot to unpack. Thank you so much for watching this particular one. Don't leave your job, you guys, for a man. Do not do that. Thank you so much. Like the video, subscribe, share. We meet again on my next upload. Bye.